Okay, let's start. The party has arrived. Oh, I like the wild flowers. That's a special touch.
Good to see you, bud.
God, I love you, you bugger. Look at all the food
cute.
he's cooking here.
We shake hands now.
How are you, Q?
How's it going?
So what's cooking, Kelly?
Well, we've got biscuits and gravy. We've got my fried potatoes I made this morning.
Oh,
But I had to put them in a crock pot because there's no way to... I'm going to get another grill so that I can have fried potatoes on one grill, and then I can have meat with the fried potatoes, and then I can
insist.
I
insist that I help you with that. I insist. So you're not buying it all on your own, so don't even think about that.
But I don't know why I didn't think of this sooner.
Well,
I'd rather have
that's
breakfast
because
out
you're not
early
as
in the
smart
morning.
as me.
I'd rather have breakfast out early in the morning than lunch. And that's the other thing, if we do it earlier in the morning. Oh, look who's here.
Well, looky. Well, what a nice surprise.
And she's all dressed up.
I don't have to worry about the warehouse anymore. Howdy. How are you? Yeah, I'm glad to come. I even took a new route so I can explore the area more.
Oh, you did?
I'm glad you found it.
Yeah, no, it wasn't that hard to find.
Not too difficult. Well, is he the only one to get the hug?
Come on in. Hi, sir.
It's lovely to see you.
It's lovely to see you too.
Yeah.
Look at your little setup. You're like ready to go, huh?
Now, do you know Q?
I do not.
Q is
Okay,
Q is our
come over.
photographer.
We've kind of adopted him.
You adopted him.
He's
Yeah, I got you a flower.
He's been awfully good to us.
How you doing?
This
All
is
right,
Stephanie.
all
This is a lady that we work with at Schoolhouse Supplies. And she's kind of being adopted right now to be one of the toy makers. And that's the way it is.
Yeah,
Eggs do you want?
I like to stand next to him because it makes me look so good.
what you do is you just say, I think you can let that cook a little longer. No, you're cooking it too long.
Oh, I gotta remember. Have you read the book, Real Friends?
Oh, I see what I'm talking about. Also,
No.
That's the bomber crews referring to the P-51s and other airplanes.
Oh, Little Friends. Got it. Okay.
You got it.
No, I have not read that. But I
Q, I didn't think about the table being
In fact, I
tilted.
knew two people.
Being what?
who flew
I
one.
didn't think about the table being tilted, so
Flying out of England. Bill Lamont was an industrial engineer at Auburn, and I worked with him for a long time. And then another guy who shot down two ME-262s in one of those. No. He was a P-51, a German jet plane. And his name was Mingo Logothetis. He was one of our suppliers, and he worked in New York. Yeah, so they flew at low level rather than
Kelly, do you need
escorting the
help?
bombers, you know.
no, what he wants is for you people to get your butts over here with a plate and get this food.
Get the food.
All right. Is the food going to be very much longer?
Now Dave's like, oh, food?
Now we're here.
Now we're
I
here.
mean, you go to a restaurant and it's generally served up pretty something quick.
what restaurant's that?
Do you have that little paper that
There
says
goes
you
his
had both
tip,
your
huh?
shots?
Do you have plates? I should hang. I'm handing out your plates, y'all.
Oh, do they have the?
Well, I'm listening to you, Kelly. I'm
In
coming.
between each table? Or?
I'll come. No one else is
What would you
coming.
like, honey?
Ooh, I'd like bacon.
How
Okay.
many bacon?
Noises and everything.
Yeah, they are.
How many
Okay,
eggs?
you know bacon comes from dead pigs,
Broken
right?
or
I do.
broken or
Delicious
whole?
dead pigs. Doesn't matter to me. I'm not picky, so I'll take the broken if some people are picky in that way.
And then there's biscuits.
Man, I almost
there's
brought some.
gravy?
I made some rhubarb sauce. I almost brought it. And
Oh,
I
that
didn't.
sounds good.
They told me not to
Rhubarb.
bring anything, so I was like, well, I don't know if it'll fit with what's happening. Oh, Steven, my boyfriend, this is his favorite thing. This is biscuits and gravy. Man, this is a feast.
Hey! Get a plate, get over here. I ain't gonna tell you again.
Okay, well. David's gonna be ready.
I'm gonna wait until the ladies go first, and then,
Who are you calling a lady?
yeah, I think so.
It's a compliment.
Boy, it smells good.
The eggs are getting hard because you're just sitting there.
Blah and blah again.
Would you like one or two eggs, honey?
Just one, please. Thank you.
And bacon or ham?
Thank you for having
Ham.
Bacon or
a
ham?
half, please.
And we got biscuits, we got gravy, and we got potatoes.
Oh my goodness.
Want to share one?
Yes, please.
Back away slowly.
That's my dad's favorite, biscuits and gravy, Kelly.
I think so.
Just sit down. That's good. Thank you.
Potatoes?
Please.
Oops.
That's good. Thank
Enough?
you. That's fine.
Okay.
No, you need to get some food.
Okay, I'll get
One
some
or two
food.
eggs.
Stand still, please.
Two, please.
Mom, I'm worried about you on the rocks. Be
Lovely.
careful.
Okay.
Oh, God, look at this.
Ham or bacon?
All of the above.
Well, and it's interesting
Thank you.
because I'm from the Midwest.
How many bacon?
And because so much is
Whatever you like to
forested, you know
serve.
what I mean? There, we have trees, but nothing to degree like you guys do out,
Thank
do
you.
out here.
And
You
there's
know?
potatoes and gravy
Good
and
application,
biscuits.
good
Which is
application.
very different. It's green year
Well, I
round
have
where I'm from.
I'll have
I mean, the winter is so
potatoes.
desolate because everything loses their
Am I
leaves.
supposed to get a plate?
Yep, one or two eggs. One or two.
One,
You're
please.
Stephanie?
Yes, hi.
Hi.
Probably got hard now.
I'm Marley.
That's good. I like hard.
And
I'll
my
take a couple
granddaughter's is
bacon.
Stephanie.
Oh, it's a good
No
name.
ham?
But it's a pretty name.
It's pretty neat, and it's an interesting.
Thank you very much.
It's never the most.
Kelly, you
but it's
overdone
definitely
yourself
a lot of
again.
style. You know how some
True.
names come and go?
One
I
or
like
two
something
eggs?
Two.
Kind of
Wonderful.
like always.
You got
Yeah,
the
that's
eggs,
always
I'd go for it.
around.
Yeah.
Bacon or ham? Or both?
They're like,
Both.
why'd they name
Did
it
you
that?
work or are you
Hey, as
working?
long as we're being
No,
suicidal,
I
let's go
actually
with it.
worked at a nonprofit called Schoolhouse
How many bacon?
Guys, where
Oh,
these
two.
guys would volunteer every week.
There's biscuits and gravy
so that's
there.
how I met
Tell
them.
them I brought
Yeah.
Well,
Here I
what would you
stand.
like? One or
we
two eggs?
called them the
Oh, just
Boeing
one,
Boys. They would
please.
come in and every week, and so yeah, there was a group of them that's been doing it for
Ham or
like
bacon?
20 years,
Ham.
basically.
Yeah, right.
So,
You want bacon too?
Remember him talking
No.
about
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
fat in it for me.
And then potatoes and
Oh, yeah.
biscuits and
That's a
gravy
tough
and
job.
Did you do all,
Sometimes.
did you do all this stuff?
yes.
Mm,
In there is milk and juice.
Right.
well, I gotta have a homemade biscuit.
You want some juice, Mom?
What? Oh,
Stir it
just
up,
to have
stir
a
it
cup.
up.
Okay, sit down, please.
Okay.
Dig up all those
Get a plate.
I get a plate as soon as they're done.
We call this flippity flop.
Feed the
wants-
old people first.
He wants to be
She
clean
used
up
to tell
guy.
me what to do, and now
Yeah.
I'm telling her what to do.
And
Okay.
you're losing your napkins.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Yes, it's an interesting
I
transition.
didn't know I had one.
Yeah.
No, that's for the spoon.
Handy
No.
little,
Do it.
Okay.
With the spoon.
it's a handy little thingy.
Yes.
Well,
I used to have one like that. It was just this thin thing that sat on the table and kept stuff warm. It was neat, neat, neat.
How many Jeff do it? Is he living in the area? No, Jeff. Is he living around there? Or is he He's under probation.
Well, don't compliment them yet. Remember, it takes 4 hours for some of that stuff to...
Work through the system.
Right.
Wise indeed.
You're all guinea pigs this morning. Just the
Oink,
way I
oink.
like it.
Oink, oink.